Okay guys, here we go. I brought the rhubarb in now. Here we have it here. I'll just bring it back a bit so you can see it. And what I have is 780 grams of rhubarb. I've got some lovely ginger, and I've added one bird's eye chilli. We have some candied ginger here. Okay. We have some lime zest, and we have the juice of the lime as well. Alright, 780 grams of sugar. Okay, this is jam sugar with added pectin in it. Okay, and what I want to do now is, at this time, is I just want to take a big bowl. We're just going to add everything into the bowl. Okay, the rhubarb. I'm just going to leave that for an hour to macerate before we cook it down to jam. Okay, right, there we go, that's the next stage. Okay guys, here we're back again with the rhubarb jam. This is a rhubarb we've had marinating for about an hour. It's starting to get a bit sticky and wet now because the juice is coming out. What I want to do is just add that into a big pan, big pot. Make sure you've got all the sugar out the bowl and all the juices, all that lovely flavour. Okay. I'm just going to switch this on now. Initially with a low heat, just to let it start to melt the sugar, and then I'll let it cook out and let it bubble away till it goes nice and soft. Now we're looking for the jam to get to about 104, 105 degrees. This will allow us to get the jam to setting point. One of the ways you can check it is you can either use a wee saucer. If you put the saucer into the freezer, take a wee bit of jam out after about maybe 20 minutes, 35 minutes, put it on the saucer. If it sets and it becomes a wee bit wrinkly, then that's your jam set. Or you can use a thermometer, a sugar thermometer, which will tell you when it gets to 105, or even just a normal probe if you have one. Okay, so let's just have a wee look over here. There we are, that's in there cooking away just now, nice and gently, and I'll get back to you when it's ready to bottle. Okay guys, as you can see, it's now reached 104, 105 degrees, so it should be ready. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to go with that, or as I said before, if you don't have a thermometer, you can use a wee plate, a wee saucer in the freezer, bring it out, put a wee bit of jam on it, leave it, and if it forms a skin, and you know it's quite gelatinous, that's ideal, but I'm going with the temperature probe, and that'll do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave it, switch it off and leave it for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to put it into clean sterilised jars. That'll be the next stage. Okay. Okay guys, here we go. We're going to bottle these up now. And before we do that, this is the jam. I put a wee bit on a frozen plate out of the freezer, just let you see. You can see there that it's holding like that. Okay, that's what we're looking for. So what we need is some nicely sterilised jars. I'm going to use these wee ones first because I use these for neighbours and friends. So if they just want a wee bit, I'm going to use some of these big ones as well. Okay, these are Tala jars, you could use Kilner jars. So what I want to do is I want to use a funnel. This is a funnel, okay. It makes it much easier for putting the jams in. Okay. in there. Don't know if you can see that. That's what it looks like. Okay, absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I'll do the rest of these and then I'm going to label them up, and that's them ready to get into the cupboard out the road. They'll last for months, even years, if they're not opened and they're sealed and they're perfectly clean. Okay, so there we go, a wee tutorial on how to make rhubarb jam with fresh rhubarb from the garage. Lovely ginger, candied fresh ginger in there, lemon, lime zest and lime juice, and a wee bird's eye chilli just for that wee added bit of flavour. Okay, so there we go guys, rhubarb jam. Enjoy.